Okay, so taking Moana's annual salary means we need to convert this into monthly before we can go ahead and go through this and see, can she afford her rent of $1,500 that she's looking for a place right by the beach? So 65,854. If I divide that by 12, grab your phone calculators and see what's her monthly gross income going to come out to. So 65,854 divided by 12, we're getting 54.87 and 83 cents. Then we want to know what 22% of that is in order to calculate her federal and state taxes. So that's $12.07 and 32 cents if I'm rounding. So then she also saves 5% per month. So if I take 0.05 of 54.87 and 83 cents, that's $274 and 39 cents if I'm rounding. She then finds this apartment for $1,500 a month. So if I add this up, these two things, I'm going to get 274.39 plus 1207.32. I get 1481 and 71 cents. So can she afford her rent, and then how much is left over after is part A and B. So remember, for the afford your rent that we're looking for, is she within the 25%? Actually, I'm going to use the 30% mark. If you remember in our example, affording rent from our notes, we said that that would be within 25 to 30% of your income. So let's just use the 30% mark of this. So 30% of her 54.87 and 83 cents, 30% is 0.3 times 54.87 and 83 cents. So the rent she can afford is $1,646 and 35 cents. Well, guess what? $1,500 is less than that. So yes, $1,500 is affordable. Okay, how much money will she have after the taxes, savings, and rent is paid? So $1,481 and 71 cents plus the rent. We need to subtract that from her income. So let's add that up. 1,500 plus 1481.71 is 2981 and 71 cents. And that's going to be 2506 and 12 cents left over after taxes, savings, and rent is paid. So what do you think? Is this enough money to live off of once rent is paid for all your bills, for your car payment, for your groceries, for your gas, for your Netflix, for your gym membership? Is that enough for everything? I think that's pretty good because they're staying to pretty low numbers everywhere else. How'd you do?